boy Machiavelli tapping back on another video. This time we're outside of the Sarang Korean fried chicken spot. The spot is bar right now. My boy put me on it, so we're here to check it out. Let's go inside. What's up, brother? What's up, brother? I'm good. I'm here to grab some.
No.
Okay, cool. I'm here to grab some fried chicken. Can I get your menu, please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, if it's a QR menu, are you okay with that? We have a QR menu here. You can scan it, or
Do you have a physical one? Let me get a physical menu. Yeah. So you guys specialize in like fried chicken and that kind of stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the stew, the spicy rice cake stew.
Okay. I think like you guys have I think it's like a challenge or something like that, a 15-minute challenge.
Yeah, we have a challenge. We have this challenge.
Okay. You gotta finish it in what, like 15 minutes or something
15
like that?
minutes, yes. It's like a platter of like that one.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the platter to go. Yeah.
So which one you want, the Sarang platter?
Yeah.
The crab?
Yeah.
No crab.
No crab, it's the whole squid.
No.
You don't like crab?
You don't want the squid?
The squid? What's the squid? The squid?
Squid, yeah, whole
squid.
yeah.
This comes with squid?
Yeah, so you'll be getting one whole squid, one tornado cut chips, and two choices of chicken.
Yeah.
So you don't want squid, right?
No squid.
No squid. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I should try it still.
You can.
Yeah, you know what? Give me the squid. Give me the squid. Yeah. Give me the regular platter. Yeah. Okay. That looks pretty fire though, so I'm not gonna lie. So it's like, what is it, like spicy or?
Okay, so yeah, can you scan this one? Like we have different.
I'm looking for like a spicy chicken.
So okay, so if you like our most popular one is sweet ass and a soy straw. Sweet ass is sweet and spicy, and soy straw is the soy garlic. So if you like the very spicy one, then go for the sambal oleg. And we also have the sambal oleg.
Yeah.
And we also have the hard case with 3 different spice level: level 1, level 2, and level 3.
Okay. So you know what I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get the sweet and spicy.
And next one,
Salt, garlic, soy and garlic.
soy garlic.
Soy garlic?
Soy garlic.
Yeah, give me the soy garlic. Yeah.
That one sounded so good.
It sounds very good. Yeah.
Soy garlic.
Yeah, it does. I'm not gonna lie.
So you want chicken boneless or bone-in?
Let me get bone in. Bone in. Yeah. Spice level? What's the spice levels?
Like we have 1, 2, and 3.
Let me get 2. Yeah.
So you want chicken bone-in or boneless?
Boneless. No, bone in. Sorry. Yeah. Do you have like a specialty that you're known for or anything like that? No. What's this right here? Melanin.
It's a melon cocktail.
Yeah. Okay, let me get that.
So you want cocktail, right?
Yeah. What's inside of it?
Chives?
Yeah. What's inside of the melanin cocktail?
Oh, it's with the melon ice cream.
Oh, okay.
With the melon ice cream.
Okay. Yeah. Let me get that. So add that to my menu.
Melon ice cream cocktail, right?
Hamilton?
Yeah.
But I give you food poisoning. Hamilton is horrible.
The one you want, right?
Yeah, just one.
So different. You used to live there? My ex-girlfriend lived in Hamilton. Oh, that's why it's horrible or what? Not too bad. The food is just bad. Oh, it's food.
Bro, everything's bad in Hamilton, bro.
Oh, 100%. Don't put that in the video. Why are you guys like putting that on
YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. Have you ever had any like a guy come in and do YouTube hair or anything like that before? First time? Okay. Usually probably Instagram, right? TikTok?
Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Instagram and TikTok,
Okay.
Now you're gonna have a full review, a long video.
Yeah. Yep. I'm just not finding out about it. I saw like a viral TikTok, so my friend told me to come here. So yeah. Okay. Hopefully it's good. You said right here. You said right here. We're cool with this one, yeah? Perfect. Okay. Thank you. What do you say this is called?
That's a melona sushi.
Marina sushi?
Melona cocktail, yeah.
Okay. All right, thank you. Look at this, yo. Bro, they have a freezer in here. This is crazy still. Let's try this. Yeah, this is fire still. Like, you can literally taste this. Yeah, this is the solid drink still. I wish I could give you some to try it. Of course not. But I rate it still like it's not too like sweet. It's not like too watery or anything or flavored down. It's like
What kind of alcohol is it?
perfect or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask her, but I rate it still. But I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. It's not bad. It's not bad.
It's unique.
Yeah, it's something different, you know.
Yeah.
Never had it before, but it's fire still. It doesn't taste like there's too much alcohol in it, but it's doing the job. Doing the job. All right, so we got like some fries bits on the side. What kind of sauce is this, bro? It's like ketchup and I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to ask them. The fries look crispy though. Put the camera on the fries. Fries look crispy though. All right, let me try it. So there's some seasoning on the fries too. I see like they dabble a little bit of something on there. Thank you. What kind of sauce is this right here? Is this mustard?
Mayo and ketchup.
Mayo and ketchup? Okay. All right, thanks.
QP there? Is it QP there or
It's a
just like?
homemade.
Oh.
Okay. All right, thank you. Let me try the mayo. Well, I don't know why, but their mayo is like kind of yellow. You see that? It don't even look like mayo, like mustard. It's not bad still. I don't know what kind of meal this is, like yellowish, but it's not bad. Yeah. The fries are good though, they're nice and crispy, they're fresh. Not too salted, it's like perfectly salted. You can't go wrong with these. Yeah, these are blessed. Jeez. It's a lot of food.
Yeah, this is your sweet ass, level 2, and choice pro, tornado chips, and whole fries.
Sorry, say that again?
Sweet ass level 2, choice pro, soy garlic.
Yeah.
This is sweet and spicy, and
Okay.
this one is your whole squid,
Yeah.
and tornado chips.
Okay, cool.
This one is which one and which?
Choice pro, that's a soy and garlic.
Soy and
Soy
garlic.
and garlic.
And what about these sauces? What are these sauces here?
This is honey mustard, choice pro, sweet ass sauce, and this is the mayo and pickle radish.
Okay.
And this is the coleslaw.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Thank you. Bro, this is gonna be the first time I ever tried squid. Look at this big piece of sea specimen right here. Look at that, bro. It looks. I'm not gonna lie. Like the fried texture, it looks good still. But I've never had squid before. Yo. I've never ever even wanted to try it. But I'm gonna try it today for you guys. Give you guys a solid review. Shoots. Where should I start? What should I start with? Bro, I don't even know what this is. Yo. I'm gonna try it right now. Looks like some kind of chips. See that? First thing I'm gonna do is try these chips right here. I don't know what kind of. Oh, this is the same mayo sauce. The same mayo sauce. Hold up. Look at that. These, they taste like, I think they're like, no, they are. It's like potato chips. You see that? They're kind of like on the burnt side. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like these two tops though. The chips are kind of like, I feel like they're like too well done. I don't really taste any like salt or anything like that. But let me try another one. Nah, the chips are not popular at all. So. Chips are not popular at all. So I give them like a 4 out of 10. Spicy chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, it's dripping.
Boneless.
No, it's bone in. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. So I'm not gonna lie. This right here is fire. This is fire stuff. I don't know if you can handle this, bro. It's a little bit spicy still. This is level 2 too. All right, so the chicken, the batter is perfect. It's nice and crispy. Has a nice little taste to it. They coated it in like a honey type of dip, and it's adding flavor to the chicken. The chicken's not dry, none of that. I'm not gonna lie, this is some good chicken. It's fire still, and it's actually hot. Fam, you gotta try this though. Like I said, I don't know if you handle it. You know. So we're gonna try the soy glazed chicken. You guys get a good look at that. Right off the rip, it looks like the other chicken, but it's just not like it's not as red, but like it looks good still. Mm, it's not bad still. It's not bad at all. Oh, this is the soy sauce, right? Let me dip it in the soy sauce. Mm. No, it's just plum sauce.
Glaze gone already.
No, it's fire though. Still, try this one right here. And this is the soy sauce. Here it is. Yeah, the soy sauce is alright. This chicken here, let me break it down too. It's just like the other one. Batter's perfect. Nice flavor to the batter. The soy's hitting too. I feel like I use a little bit more salt though, but I messed with it. All right, let's move on to the what? Let me try this coleslaw first. What is this? It's like a coleslaw, right? Get this work. Get the camera on that. Bam. I don't know what this is. It's like some kind of coleslaw season. Let me try it though. Okay. Okay. They doing it like the Jamaicans out here. This coleslaw is hitting. Coleslaw is hitting still. The coleslaw is hitting. Coleslaw is not too watery, none of that bullshit. You know what I mean? Perfect amount of dressing, perfect amount of salad. I fucked with this though. Alright. What is this? This is like pepper or some shit, no?
Beets.
What am I
Pickled
supposed to
beets.
What am I supposed to do with this, bro? What the fuck? Just eat it? Take a bite, hold up. Got me? It's actually not bad. That's crazy. You can literally eat it by itself. Hold up. You can literally eat it by itself. Try this. What is this right here? No, it's fire still. Anyhow, let's get to the main event, bro. Squid. Fried squid. Bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous for this one. I'm not gonna lie, still. Let me try the batter first. Hold up. Okay, the batter's giving seafood. Still, I can taste the seafood type of taste. I don't know, yo, fam. I'm getting like what do you call it? Like a lobster kind of like flavor to this. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even touch the food yet. Just the skin. Hold on. All right, let me take a bite. Wow. I'm really doing this right now. That's crazy. Ain't no fucking way, bro. No way. What the fuck? Bro, you're not gonna believe me, bro. You're not gonna believe me. This shit is actually good, bro. I'm at mama. Man, why is it like that, bro? The fuck? Oh, let me get a napkin? You still good? Bro, be 100% honest, bro. I didn't expect this, but this is actually good. The the texture of this, bro, is, I'm not gonna lie, it's like chicken, bro. Dead ass, it's like chicken, bro. You bite it, it comes right apart like chicken, bro. But it has more of like a lobster seafood kind of taste to it. But it's actually good still. Nah, I need to try this. I think I'm gonna try it though. Man, this shit's good still, I'm not gonna lie. I'm shocked. I never thought I would ever eat squid, man, and like it. Surprisingly. Look at it, look. Let's get it. See that? It's like tender. You dip it in the soy sauce. Yeah, it's not that bad still, I'm not gonna lie. Not bad at all. I'm surprised. Fuck. Alright, so time to rate the food. The fries. The fries I'm gonna give like a 7.5 out of 10, pretty solid. Nice and seasoned. Right to perfection. Damn near. Squid, I'm gonna give the squid like a, it's proper, it has a flavor to it. Texture's not bad. I'm gonna give it like a, I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10. Not bad for the first time having squid. Chicken over here, spicy chicken, I'm gonna give it like a, I fucks with it still, I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. Nice and spicy, flavorful, nice texture. It hits. The chips, like I said earlier, I'm gonna give it like a 4. The coleslaw, it's fire. It's like Jamaican coleslaw. We give it like a 9 out of 10. This chicken here, the soy chicken, it hits too. I'm gonna give it like a, I'm gonna say like an 8 out of 10. It's not bad. It's fire. Do what it do. Drink. 7 out of 10. Would I come back here? I'd come back here. I'm not gonna lie. Good experience. Good people. Solid setup. Why not? What would I rate this place overall? I'm gonna give it like a, I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10. It's solid. I'd come back. You guys come check it out. Food's good. Freshly cooked. Can't complain. You already know. It's by Machiavelli. Stop back to another video. If you guys enjoyed the review, come check this place out. It's pretty solid. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. End of this. I'm out. Peace.